Hello folks, today I'm going to show you how to get more money for your Honda Snowblower if you're selling it. A neighbor brought this over to me. He said, "Hey Anthony, I have a brand new machine. I don't need this one anymore. It needs a service and I need to sell it." So I says, "Okay." And he said, do what you do, get it in top shape so I can get top dollar for it. So what I did first is I pressure washed it. I sprayed some degreasing spray all over the machine, let it sit for 15 or 20 minutes, and then washed it thoroughly with the pressure washer. That makes it easier to work on for a service. So I wish I had some earlier before pictures for this, because it was, it had a lot of dust on it. It had a lot of grease and grime on it, from years of use. And you're really not going to get, top dollar for a machine that's dirty. You'll get more money if it's cleaned up. And a bonus is that it's serviced. Most people don't spend the extra money to take it to a shop to have a machine serviced before they sell it to somebody new. So that's going to increase the value also. So after I cleaned it up, I started servicing, doing touch-up paint. It needed a complete service. The carburetor needed to be cleaned. The choke needed to be adjusted. Everything was, all the adjustments were checked, of course. It's got new oil, new plug. I took the muffler off because, usually with the mufflers, I see top remnants where the top melts on the muffler. So I took the muffler off, cleaned it up, repainted it with high temperature stove paint. Did some touch-up painting all around the machine, cleaned it up the best I can. So now this machine's like 20 years old, but he's going to get more money for it now. The service and the cleaning up adds hundreds of dollars to value of this machine. Now another question I get was what it's worth. This time of year, late summer, you're not going to get as much as if he waits a couple more months, which I suggested he wait a couple months, towards the winter. He'll get more money because of that. The demand will be higher. All the prices are higher on used machines. So he's going to wait a month or so for that. Plus, since it's been serviced and everything, you want to put that in the ad. He's going to get top dollar for this machine. So this is just a few tips that I do so you can get more money for your Honda Snowblower. If you think this video has helped you, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.